Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm back out here with another plane. I'm out here with the ParkTen P51D 510mm brushless plane, and so I don't have the landing gear on it, but I did have this patch of grass over here that I want to land in, and that's why the landing gear is off it while I'm out here in the concrete jungle. And another thing I did adjust the ailerons to give us the furthest throw that we can get. It was in the middle of it. No, it wasn't in the middle. It was on the least throw we can get. The elevator is there too. I got the elevator at the most elevator we can get. We probably didn't need that, but I did it anyway. And the yaw as well, the rudder. So let's get it in the air. I got the battery fully charged, and we're using the Radio Master Boxer this time. Let's get it. A tiny bit nervous out here because my phone doesn't have its protective cover. This is my older phone though, so got a new one coming up for you guys. So video quality might change after this flight for the future videos. Let's see if we can get this guy all loaded up.
Welcome to HTX.
Okay, so we got it binded. Hopefully we can get a tight enough turn to manage out here now. Let's see what kind of turning we can get. Pretty decent turn, but not much elevator control as it's doing that pitch up thing again. So, okay, we got our elevator control now. So the turn is indeed tighter. Skimping on the throttle a little. Got some birds up there. Hope I don't smack into any of them. Scared to try a roll, although the roll is probably better now that I have the elevator control a little better. I'm tempted to try one, y'all. Let's see, we're gonna come back around this way. Let's try a roll. It's still doing the weird stuff. I did adjust the elevator as well. Gave it a little negative elevator, but I guess it's been canceled out by me increasing the throw on the elevator. Probably wasn't enough twists. I'm getting some tighter turning though as a result, for sure. We can get a loop. Yeah, it's flying nice. see if we can come down for a landing. I'm gonna try to get it flying a little lower. Swing around here a little low, and let's cut throttle and see what we can get. Oh! Whoa! I tried to save it from scratching the belly and ended up smacking the nose. So I guess we're gonna test what the Oz tree crasher said about this nose getting a ding in it and then going crazy on us. So let's see. We definitely broke a prop. Oh man, this propeller is not usable anymore, and we smacked the nose pretty good there. Oh man, sheesh, the prop is doing, I think I killed the prop, and that messed up the tightness of the nose. So I guess we'll find out in the next video if that pretty much disrupted anything with the stem of this motor here, because I was told that any little ding on this little motor shaft here causes it to vibrate and basically ruins the motor there, ruins the plane, unless you can change the motor. But I'm hoping that it's just the fact that the prop basically was destroyed, because this prop is all the way destroyed. I think I can probably pull it out of here. Let me see if I can pull it out of here. Almost, but it's all the way off the stem. It's broken completely. So I think that little space in between that the prop provides is what's making this nose cone real wobbly. Hopefully I'm correct about that. So we get some real world testing. I guess I'll let you guys know at the end of this video if it still spins correctly or not. So it's a flight of this P51D from ParkTen, which turned into a durability test of this stem on this motor here. Thanks for watching. Be right back to let y'all know. And look, I was able to pull this prop right out from off of the motor post there. It destroyed this little prop. Look, y'all. Looks like it's still smooth as butter.